How to start a YouTube channel, step-by-step guide, plus faceless content tips with AI tools. Hey, future YouTube stars! Welcome back to Odaverse. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to start your very own YouTube channel from scratch. Whether you're looking to showcase your passions, share your expertise, or even run a faceless channel using AI tools, this guide has got you covered. We'll walk through the essential steps to get you up and running, and we'll share tips on how to create engaging content without ever stepping in front of the camera. So let's jump right in and start building your YouTube empire. 1. Define your channel's purpose and niche. Identify your passion. Think about what you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Your channel should reflect your interests. For example, if you love tech, consider creating a channel focused on tech reviews, like MKBHD. If cooking is your thing, you might create a channel with easy recipes and cooking tips, similar to Tasty. Research your niche. Explore existing channels to understand what works and what doesn't. For instance, if you want to start a gaming channel, check out PewDiePie or Jacksepticeye to see what types of content are popular and identify gaps you can fill. Consider faceless content. If you prefer not to be on camera, consider creating a faceless channel. You can use AI tools and voiceovers to produce engaging content without appearing on screen. For instance, channels like Top Ives use narration and visuals without showing the creator's face. 2. Create a YouTube account. Sign in. If you have a Google account, sign in. If not, create one. Your Google account will be your gateway to YouTube. Set up your channel. Once signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name and customize your channel. 3. Choose a channel name. Brandable name. Choose a name that is memorable, easy to spell, and reflects your content. For example, Crash Course is a clear and catchy name for an educational channel. Check availability. Ensure your channel name is available across social media platforms and as a domain name if you plan on creating a website later. For instance, use tools like Namechk to check availability. 4. Design your channel's visual identity. Channel icon. Your channel icon, profile picture, represents you or your brand. Use a clear, high-resolution image, like a logo or a professional headshot. Channels like Kurzgesagt use distinct and recognizable icons. Channel art, banner. Create an eye-catching banner that communicates your channel's theme. Include your upload schedule or a brief tagline. For example, Linus Tech Tips features a banner that highlights their focus on technology. Brand consistency. Use consistent colors, fonts, and design elements across your channel to create a cohesive brand image. 5. Plan your content. Content strategy. Decide on the type of content you'll create and your upload frequency. For example, the Try Guys mix different types of videos, challenges, reactions, etc. to keep their channel dynamic. Content calendar. Plan a content calendar to stay organized. This helps ensure you maintain consistency, which is key to growing your channel. Faceless content ideas. For faceless channels, use AI tools to generate animations, slideshows, or text-to-speech content. Tools like Lumen 5 or Pictory can help you create engaging videos without needing to be on camera. 6. Gather equipment. Camera. Start with what you have. Many successful YouTubers began with their smartphones. For higher quality, consider investing in a good quality camera like the Canon EOS M50. Microphone. Audio quality is crucial. A good microphone, such as the Blue Yeti, can significantly enhance your video's professionalism. Lighting. Natural light is great, but you might want to invest in softbox lights or ring lights to ensure consistent lighting. For example, the newer ring light kit is popular among YouTubers. Editing software. Use free software like iMovie, Mac, or DaVinci Resolve PC to start. As you progress, you might invest in more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro. AI tools for faceless channels. Explore AI-driven tools like Synthesia for AI-generated avatars or DeepBrain and ElevenLabs for realistic voiceovers. 7. Film your first video. Script and plan. Even if it's just a rough outline, planning your video helps ensure you stay on track. For instance, channels like Film Riot offer structured content that's well planned. Practice. Don't be afraid to practice speaking to the camera. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. Shoot and edit. Record your video in a quiet, well-lit space. Edit your video to cut out any mistakes, add music, and include any necessary text or graphics. Faceless video production. For faceless content, use screen recording software or AI tools to create engaging videos without appearing on screen. For instance, video influencers often use screen recordings and voiceovers. 8. Optimize your video for YouTube. Titla. Create a compelling and relevant title that includes keywords. For example, 10 Easy Recipes for Beginners uses clear keywords that help with discoverability. Description. Write a detailed description with relevant keywords, links, and timestamps, if applicable. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about and how to rank it. Tags. Add tags related to your content to improve searchability. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Thumbnail. Design a custom thumbnail that's visually appealing and gives viewers a snapshot of your content. For example, MrBeast uses high-quality, attention-grabbing thumbnails. 9. Upload and promote your video. Upload process. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube, fill in all the details, and publish it. Promotion. Share your video across social media platforms, relevant online communities, and with friends and family. Channels like the Slow Mo Guys often promote their videos on multiple platforms to increase visibility. 10. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Reply to viewers' comments to build a community and encourage more interaction. Ask for feedback. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts on your content and what they'd like to see next. 11. Analyze and improve. YouTube Analytics. Monitor your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate, CTR. Iterate and improve. Use the data to refine your content strategy, improve video quality, and better engage with your audience. 12. Monetize your channel. Optional. YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program to start earning money from ads. Explore other income streams. Consider other monetization methods like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or creating merchandise. 13. Stay consistent and patient. Growth takes time. Building a successful YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent with your uploads and continue to improve your content. Adapt and evolve. Stay open to change and be willing to adapt your content strategy as you learn more about your audience and what they enjoy. By incorporating different AI tools into your content creation process, you can efficiently produce high-quality videos even if you prefer to remain faceless. This approach opens up new possibilities and can help streamline your workflow. That's a wrap on our YouTube Starter Guide. I hope these tips help you kick off your channel and navigate the exciting world of content creation. Whether you're showing your face or using AI tools for faceless content, remember that consistency and creativity are key. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube presence. Got any questions or need more advice? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.